Hello, welcome to my flat tour. Come in. Okay, so I finally got around to recording my flat tour. I've been in this flat or apartment for how many months? 3 months? And I finally, it's not super decorated or super cluttered, but I think I'm happy enough for you guys to see it. So we're gonna start in the kitchen, which is over here. And I'll show you guys what I've got going on here. I did also have this fully furnished because I just didn't really want to worry about like big pieces of furniture and stuff like that. So major key, if you're moving and you don't want to worry about all that stuff, think about it. Yeah, so this is my kitchen area. This is, that was the dishwasher. This is something that I got from Amazon, and it's just, it just really looked really cute, and I needed somewhere to put my dishes when I wash them. So that's all this is. And then all this stuff, a lot of the things in my flat are from IKEA because it's easy and it's close. And so this stuff over here is, that's a salad bowl, my little salt and pepper thing, and chopping board. Some of the stuff is like a wooden vibe, so I just feel like it's cute and it just makes the kitchen taste a little warmer. Over here is the stove. It's an induction stove, cooktop, that thing where you do things. So that's what that is. The first time I bought my the first time I bought my pots and pans, I didn't know that it was an induction, and so I went to do it, and there were no eggs for breakfast that morning. This is the dishwasher. I don't use it that often because I don't usually have enough things to warrant putting the dishwasher on. But I remember when I was younger, I was like, what's the point in doing the dishwasher if I'm gonna have to rinse them first? But clearly since I was five, things have moved on and you don't need to rinse them first. So that's cool. So over here is like the coffee, cooking, kettle area. Do you want to come closer? And so, yeah, so I've got my coffee beans. All right, so I was like an instant coffee person before. Like when I was at a coffee shop, obviously I don't have coffee, but at home I didn't have a coffee maker and stuff like that. But now I have a grinder for beans and I have a French press. So that is what I do. And you know, it has completely changed the quality of the coffee because I don't know what I was doing before. I have my blender. The main thing I use that for is my protein shake, just to make sure that it's got a great consistency. I've got a kettle and I've got some scales. And that's really what's going on over here. Oh, I didn't show you what was in the cupboards over here. So I use this as a pantry. I guess you would call that a pantry. And I've got my protein powder and a few bowls. Over here, it's just some glasses. I have, for some reason, enough plates, cups, and things for a family of like 12. But it's just, they break, but also just because, like, you never know when people are going to come around and stuff. Just drawers here. Nothing really special going on in there, to be honest. But yeah, knives and forks. Again, like I said, most of this stuff is from IKEA. All this stuff here is from IKEA, plates and stuff. If you see my flat apartment haul thing, they will be in there. This is my fridge. I went shopping the other day. Went to a cheeky Waitrose shop, so it's kind of full. And I'm gonna do some meal prepping because I need to get back onto that. But that's all that's going on there. And then there's a freezer. And on this side of the kitchen, there is, okay, we'll get onto that in a sec because that's a thing in itself. But we've got this table and chairs. This came with the apartment. And then I bought these like little placemats and coasters from Sainsbury's, I believe it was. And I like to get flowers every week because it just makes the room look cute. You'll notice that I have swapped out like genuine interior design skill for plants because I can't do it, so just plants everywhere. So that's what this is. This plant here is pretty much a guard dog. Everyone who comes here screams because it's so sharp. Everyone just goes the other way around, but it's very pretty and it's from IKEA, as is the basket. In here is my, in there is my washing machine and like extra storage and stuff like that, but we don't just get in there. I wouldn't do it. Let's go to this side. I probably should have started here, but we didn't. So this is something relatively new. It is just shoe rack, to be honest. And I've got a plant on there and a few bags. It was getting kind of crazy because I don't have loads of storage in here, and so I needed something to store my trainers and things and my shoes, and so that's what that is. Easy, grab it when you go out. And then over here is, obviously that's the thing to let people in when they call up. This is a chest of drawers. No, it's a bedside table that I had, and it doesn't fit in that room anymore because I kind of rearranged things, which you'll see. But I needed to do something with it because it came with the apartment, so it's just here now, and I've got another plant. So that is this bit. Okay, so welcome to the living area, which is, you know, all of 2 steps away from the kitchen. This is, yeah, I kept it pretty simple. This sofa again came with the apartment, and then I just got these cushions from IKEA. Another one of those plant pot things, situations going on, the baskets. And if I just show you over here, because this is like the cute bit, I guess-ish. Table came with the apartment as well. I got most of these things from IKEA. We've got this little pot, which is basically like for watering plants. Then this little tray, this is from Amazon, and I'll try to link as much as possible. This is from Amazon, and then this thing is empty, but it will have something in eventually. And there's like scent thing, and it's just stuff like that. This thing I've had for years, and I think my mum got it. I think I got it from TK Maxx once. Wow, I haven't even taken this off in all the years I've had it. But yeah, that's what that is. And then I've got this, my TV over here. This is from Curry's. It was pretty inexpensive. I didn't want to spend lots of money on TV. Back at home, I never really watch TV, but obviously it's a smart TV. YouTube, I watch YouTube. Subscribe if you're not subscribed also to my channel. And so yeah, Prime and things like this. I think it was about 350, around that price point anyway. And then there's some space, some drawers underneath there that is also being used for storage, but you don't really want to see that either. And so yeah, this is my living area. Let's move into the bedroom. Okay, so let's go into my bedroom. This is a 1-bedroom flat, in case I didn't mention that before. So come into here. This is my bedroom / my office / where I record YouTube videos and things. So I've got a double bed. There's not really much going on in here, to be honest. I wanted to keep it simple. Like I said, that's minimalism is like what I'm going for here, aka I also don't want lots of stuff. Some people would disagree with me, but I think this is relatively minimal. There's nothing on the walls and stuff, so yes. So yeah, I've got these cushions again. This bedding is from IKEA, the cushions from IKEA. Effectively, this house is sponsored by IKEA, like most people's. Forever, I can't remember. I brought that from my room back home in my family house. So if I just show you over here. So that's just obviously my side table, nothing much going on there but my Kindle and a little plant and a little side lamp. And over here, I'll sit down whilst I talk to you here. Ow. So it's really, obviously really grim getting into this. But this is my desk area / office. I obviously work from home, and so this is where I spend quite a lot of my time. It was originally this way, the desk, which is from IKEA as well, but I changed it to record a YouTube video, and I'm really liking it. This is my mic that I'm using recently. It's a Rode mic, and this is also from IKEA. This is new. It's just a nice touch, so nothing much going on here. Again, it's pretty minimal. There's nothing crazy going on. I was looking at desk designs on Pinterest, like ideas, and I just haven't settled on anything yet, so I just thought, you know what. And this is my MacBook, which is just like my planner, and again, like I said, interior designer. I am not, so I have lots of plants. I have a few books here. I don't have a bookshelf like I did back home. Most of my things are also on Kindle anyway, or yeah, that's it. And then I've got this little plaque that my friend got me, Game. She got it for me, I think, for my birthday, I want to say. And so that's really cute, and I just have that in here too. And this little plant, this chair, you guessed it, IKEA. So that is, ow, that's pretty much the bedroom. Over here is a wardrobe that came with it. I'm kind of a fan more of built-in wardrobe. I think they just look cleaner, but it is what it is. It's not the end of the world, right? And then I've just got a wash basket there, which nobody wants to see my dirty laundry. And And so yeah. Okay, and so then moving on to the final room in the house is my bathroom now. I don't know if it's really gonna come across, but given the fact that I only have a 1-bedroom flat, I have a very decent sized bathroom. There's not too much going on. Obviously, you've got my like bath shower thing going on here. That little thing there is from IKEA. I've got a lovely big mirror. I don't have any other mirrors in here. So like back at home, I had a, what's that thing called? A floor length mirror. So this is as good as I'm gonna get at the moment because I haven't found like a good place to put a mirror. So I'm like, I don't know yet. Just toilet paper and things like that. This little thing also it's from Amazon, which I just store like the things that I use daily, hair things, non-hair things, and then a little bit of makeup. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't know if I do any major updates. I may do an updated apartment tour or something like that. But for now, I think I'm happy with it. It's cute. It's my first place, and to be honest, I couldn't really ask for more. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.